YouTube? It's your guy, not your average trucker. Back at it, another video. Today I have with me the VIOFO A329 series of dashcam. This is the A329WW series, which is designed for heavy duty use. Comes with a main unit with 4K ultra wide HD footage, 60 frames per second, Wi-Fi 6, the ability to not only use a micro SD card, which is included, but it also has the ability to connect to an external hard drive for even more continuous use, even more storage. It also has a Bluetooth remote, as well as the kicker. Comes with one main unit, two waterproof secondary cameras that can be mounted outside of the vehicle. So, you know, with the normal car dash cam, you might have one in the windshield, one viewing the interior cab, and then one going out the back window. However, with the WW series of the A329, you have two cameras that can be mounted outside of the vehicle because they are completely weatherproof, waterproof, temperature-proof. So you can have it on the outside of your semi-truck to capture your blind spots, your left and right side. We're going to try to hook one up right now, test it out. Not your average trucker. Big shout out to VIOFO A329 series WW. Not your average trucker. Again, it comes with the main unit, which features a STARVIS Sony processor. This is a top of the line sensor camera. Has built-in Wi-Fi, the 2.4 gigahertz to 5 gigahertz, advanced parking mode. It comes with a 64 gigabyte micro SD card. Very clear footage. Obviously has an app that allows you to easily view in real time, as well as send files directly from the camera unit back to your phone. Then it comes with secondary cameras. You get two of the RWC 400. These are waterproof cameras that can be mounted anywhere. You can mount them inside and outside of your vehicle. In this case, we're going to be mounting it on the outside. You get the hardware kit. You know, by default, the dash cam comes with the USB-C cord or a cigarette lighter plug that you can have it so that it runs, you know, whenever the vehicle is actually on. But in order for you to take advantage of the parking, you know, the cameras while you're not in the vehicle and while the vehicle is not running, you need the hardwire kit, which is compatible with 12 volt and 24 volt systems. It has a 4 volt low voltage cutoff, ACC detection, so it detects whether the vehicle is running or off. Use this whenever you want to hardwire it so that you have 24-hour surveillance. Like I said, you get a second waterproof RWC 400 rear camera, and you get a wireless Bluetooth remote control. So you're getting a lot in your package, suitable for heavy duty semi-truck usage. No complaints here. I've used this on several of my semi-trucks. As you can see, I'm in a semi-truck right now. So we're going to install this really quick. I probably won't record myself installing it. I'll just give you the after shot. I'm going to show you some footage. I'm going to have a coupon code in the link in the description, as well as a comment for you to save some money. It's a really good bang for your buck if you care about always having footage while you're on the road or while your driver's on the road. You know, self-explanatory. 2026 surveillance is what you need. You need proof always, because especially in semi trucks, you have people that brake check you, people that are cut in front of you, and you know, everybody just wants a big payday from semi trucks. You see the billboards all over the place with lawyers saying, hey man, you've been injured by a semi truck, call my law firm, I'll get you $1 gazillion. So a lot of us drivers and fleet owners, we just need proof that it wasn't our fault half the time. Not your average trucker. Like I said, really quick setup. I could obviously hide the wires later, put them up there. But I got one camera mounted under the mirror, one in the middle, and the other one mounted under the other mirror. Pretty easy setup. That 3M tape is very strong. It also comes with mounting screws if you want to drill it into something on the outside. But it's waterproof. Nothing to worry about. Again, this is the A329WW series by VIOFO, 4K, 3-channel, continuous runtime. Definitely worth the purchase. Not your average trucker.